Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And in today's video, first of all, my name is Davino Rizal from Computer Engineering 2023 AB, and in this video we will talk about how I am gathering the requirement using the observation technique. Okay, let's start. Presented by Davino Rizal, myself. Okay. First is the purpose of the video is to demonstrate how I use the observation technique to gather system requirement. The project background is such development of an automatic attendance system using RFID technology for classroom use. And my role is observing the manual attendance process to understand the user needs. First, what is the observation technique? Observation involves watching the user directly in their environment without interference. The goal is to understand the actual behavior, not just what user claim to do. Useful, and the observation technique is useful for identifying hidden issues and unstated user needs. How I conducted the observation. First, the location. Classroom during the start of a lesson, and then the second is the subject observed. Teacher and student during attendance process. And what I observe first is time taken for manual attendance, and next is issues such as forgetting to do sign in, and the third is dependence on teachers to record attendance, and the last one is the potential for human error in recording the attendance. Key observation and insight. Students often forget to sign the attendance sheet. And then the next is manual attendance takes up to 5 to 10 minutes at the start of each class. And then the third is teacher usually struggle to verify valid presence. For example, sometimes the student can have the sign in the sheet, but when they need to verify from the teacher, they usually don't have in the classroom even if the sign in of that student is in the sheet sign in. And then the last one is no system exists to automatically track the lateness or absence. So our project is to make the attendance to be automatically track the lateness and then the absence. It is for the teacher not to struggle to verify valid presence and also to track the lateness of a student. Contribution to system requirement. The first is that observation help us to identify key features. First is the RFID tags for fast student identification. So each student have their own RFID tags. When they want to sign in to their class, they will their tags will give a signal to the database that they are signed in, and the system will track are they late or not. And then the second is that we have the RTC module to record the attendance time. RTC module in here for the lateness of the student and to track the time when they sign in the class. The third is that automatic data storage to a database. So every each student that sign in whenever they are the present time or late, they will automatically going to database, and going to the database will have all the data to system to track their attendance in the class. And then the next contribution is that guided it guide us the team to focus on automation and accuracy. So in conclusion, observation is an effective method to uncover real user need. And the second one, it allows system development to be based on actual user behavior. And then the last one is that insight from observation help us design a more efficient and accurate RFID attendance system. So, in my opinion, the observation method or technique is really an effective method, so that we can know the real real time real time of what user need for uh, for us to make our project. Our project is the RFID attendance system, so we will need some data to make the project or our RFID attendance system. It will help a lot to us to get the data, and then how will we design the RFID and the UI for the teacher later, so the teacher can know who or which student that late and then not sign in the class. I think that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.